Good morning, children. Today we are going to start chapter 8, that is Introducing Python. All of you are aware that computer works in three stages. To get the work done on a computer, you enter input, that is raw data, and computer operates on that data, that is processing, and whatever result we are getting from the input, that is the output. So input, process, and then output. So to get the desired output from the computer, we key the instructions to the computer using different programming languages. Some specific computer languages which are used to write programs. Some of the popular programming languages are Python, C, C++, Pascal, Java, etc. A program is a sequence of instructions that specifies how to perform a computation. These programs help computer to perform wide range of tasks. Introduction to Python. Python is very simple programming language which is used to write codes for computer programs, and this language was created by Guido van Rossum in the year 1991 at CWI. Now, Python is high-level programming language. Features of programming language, that is Python. Now, this language is easy to learn, general-purpose programming language. It is having very easy syntaxes. It is case-sensitive, that is capital letters and small letters are being treated differently. It is an interpreted language. It is free to use and even for commercial products. Now, this is the language which is platform independent. That means it is used on any machine and in any operating system. Next is the applications, or you can say uses of Python programming. Now, Python is a popular and easy to learn language. So, this language can be used to build a website, to develop games, program robots, perform some scientific computations, etc. A high-level language is a computer language that uses alphabets, numbers, and special symbols for coding. It is a user-friendly and interactive type of language, for example, C++, Python, Java, etc. Now, syntax refers to the grammatical rules to be followed while writing program in any language. Components of Python window. Just like any other application window, Python window has a following components. Title bar. This is the area that displays the name of the application as the document. It also contains command buttons like minimize, maximize, restore, and close. Menu bar. This bar consists of various menus with different options. Script area. This is the area where you type your code. And last is the status bar, which tells you the current status of your control cursor on the window. You can work in Python in two ways. First is the interactive mode and second is the script mode. Now, in interactive mode of Python, the instructions are executed line by line, giving the output. That is, in this mode, the commands are typed next to Python command prompt. Interactive mode is beneficial for testing code, where you type the commands one at a time and get the result or error immediately. Now, use of interpreter. As we already know, in interpreter, commands are executed line by line. So, in interactive mode of Python, the commands are executed line by line. So, when you type command next to the Python command prompt and press enter key, the interpreter converts the command into machine language, and after processing, the interpreter again converts the machine code into human readable form, that is in the form of output using print function. Now, print function is used to display the output of any command on the screen. It can also be used to print the specified messages. Now, look at an example here. I have written hello world using print command. And as a result, it is displaying hello world because हमने जो भी डबल कोड में लिखा है, whatever we are writing in double code using print command, same as it is हमें print होके show होगा. Now, Python is a case-sensitive programming language. It means that Python differentiates between the capital and small letter. For example, print with capital P and print with small p are two different things for Python, where small p, print, is valid in Python, while print with capital P is just a word and it's not a command. Now, we can also pass more than one argument in print function by separating them with commas. For example, I have written Python is a high-level language. It has easy syntax. Now, these two are different statements and we are separating them with comma. Now, this statement has to be written using print function. So, this is how we are going to write. Using IDLE as a calculator. The Python IDLE full form is Integrated Development and Learning Environment. Executes instruction one line at a time. So, to evaluate any arithmetic expression, it is not necessary to use the print function. If we type an arithmetic expression at the Python prompt and press enter key, the interpreter automatically evaluates it and shows the result. The basic BODMAS rule are followed for performing calculation. Now, here in an example, you can see that after command prompt, हमने Python prompt के बगल में लिखा है 10 plus 5 and next line में हमें result show हो रहा है, that is 15. फिर हमने show किया, next command दिया, command prompt के बाद 45 divided by 6 and we got the result 7.5. Now you can see the third equation which I have given, 45 into 78.7, and we've got the result 3541.5. Okay, this is how we are going to do in Python. Now to repeat the previous command, we can use Alt plus P key combination.